Welcome back. I'm Michael, and today we have an exciting tutorial lined up for you. I am going to show you how to create a line graph in Microsoft Excel. But first, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future tutorials. Now, let's get started with creating a fantastic line graph in Excel. Here, I have a dataset arranged in a table, where one column represents the years, and the other column contains the reported injuries for those corresponding years. However, interpreting data solely from a table has its limitations. I'm interested in visualizing this data through a chart. So, how do we go about inserting a chart? Let's navigate to the Insert option on the top bar. Clicking on Insert, the easiest method to insert a line chart is to select Recommended Charts. The first suggestion is a line chart, which is precisely what I'm looking for. Clicking OK gets us a basic line chart with reported injuries on the y-axis and years on the x-axis. Alternatively, we can explore another method by going back to Insert and choosing Line or Area Chart. While this requires a bit more configuration compared to the recommended chart, it provides additional flexibility. Clicking on Select Data allows us to customize the chart further. We can remove the default year axis and replace it with the actual years from our dataset. If you have a single set of information, you can add chart elements like labels and titles for clarity. For instance, adding a horizontal label for the year and a vertical label for injuries enhances the chart's readability. You can also remove unnecessary elements to keep the visualization clean. Now, let's consider a scenario where we have multiple pieces of information, such as reported injuries and fatalities for different years. Returning to Insert and selecting Recommended Charts, we notice that the recommendations may not match our requirements precisely. By choosing all charts, we gain access to a wider range of options. Opting for a combo chart enables us to display two sets of information using separate axes. In the combo chart, reported injuries can be represented by columns, and fatalities can be shown as a line on the secondary axis. After adjusting the chart elements and titles, we achieve a comprehensive visualization displaying both reported injuries and fatalities over the years. In summary, this tutorial provides a quick guide on creating a simple line chart in Microsoft Excel, whether you're visualizing a single set of data or utilizing two sets of axes, primary and secondary. The process is straightforward and can significantly enhance the interpretation of your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more insightful tutorials. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy charting and excel at Excel!